is up? What is up? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the day that I've been waiting so long for. If you guys know me, you know that I am a man of sound, like power and speed and other stuff like that. It's great and all, but one of the biggest things that completely has an impact on the car's driving experience and makes it worthwhile to drive is if it sounds good or not. And today, we are finally fixing that up, especially on this thing, because these things stock, they sound really quiet for being an exotic car, and I feel like they could definitely be beefed up. And it has the same engine from the LP560 Gallardo, so you know it's gonna sound good, that beautiful V10 engine. Here is the box. This is what happens when you don't have hydraulics working anymore. This is gonna do the trick. Now time to go get the exhaust box. Yeah, when I only have one side to lift up, it's way lighter. Alright, perfectly set up. So we're gonna go work our way over to the shop. It's time to hear one last startup on the stock exhaust. Listen to that beautiful cold air induction. I'm so excited to completely transform this beast of an engine, finally get the sound that this car all deserves. Alrighty. Does anybody want any chips? Not sponsored. I wish though. I love descending on the lovely city of Bellevue, because Bellevue is a great city, but this means traffic. That is Seattle's specialty, besides LA. LA is probably like the one place on the West Coast that's definitely worse, but oh boy, it's rush hour, baby. Look at all that traffic on that side. At least we're not on that side right now, but traffic plus single clutch gearbox, not good in this car, not good at all. All these underpasses that I want to make noise under, but I can't yet. That's what we're on the way to. And we've now hit the traffic. Basically, I mean, traffic in itself just stops and goes and stops and goes is probably one of the worst things for the single clutch and the clutch in itself on this car. So what you gotta do is you gotta preserve it best you can. And that means you gotta take your intervals and you gotta lengthen them out when traffic. Don't always go when you can, just kinda wait an extra 10 seconds before you need to go and make sure there's extra room. You just gotta kinda deal with traffic like that. And it may kinda make the people behind you upset, but that's where you just gotta be a little bit selfish and be like, you know what, my clutch kind of matters a little bit more. All right, arrived here at the shop. Well, the automobile has been delivered, and normally I feel like your average YouTuber would probably say, cut now, tune into the next video to hear a sound clip. But nah, I got you guys. That is if you didn't already skip ahead to the end of the video. But anyways, let's go check out the car once it's complete. So you join us back here on the next day, and they already put my car right outside in the shop. It is done. Look any different back there? It kind of does. Look through the vent. Oh, that's so shiny. That's sick. So yeah, obviously these are a part of the car, so these don't change with the exhaust. But what does change is that actually before there used to be two. There used to be two low pipes. Now it's just one, and the full thing's all loaded in there. I'm super stoked to hear how this thing sounds, so thank you to these guys for doing the hard job for me. We are hopping in the car. I have the keys right here. Time to start her up. All right, let's... There's definitely a difference. All right, we're not gonna do all the revving stuff immediately. We're gonna go drive away from the shop to a more safe location for the matter. Alright, thank you. Have fun. Oh. This is a different beast. Whoa. Oh. Oh my god. This is crazy. Holy shoot! Dude, this is like, I mean, this is almost more exciting for me than picking up the car for the first time, because now this feels like a supercar. This feels like an exotic car. This is wild. That in itself completely transformed the beast that this is. Ah! Oh, be careful, don't better scratch, sideswipe my beautiful carbon fiber side blade. Gosh, this thing is next level. Just oh. He's got the pops. I want the pops next. That's coming in the future beyond that. We're not stopping here, boys. Throughout the ship. Oh my god. I'm like, I can't make this up. I can't act this through. This car is literally just, my body is impulsively reacting and getting so much happiness by how beautiful and fun this is right now. Oh my gosh. Now I feel like I really own an Audi R8. A V10 Audi R8. Oh my god, this is gonna get me in so much trouble. Now I have a flashy red car that is loud as heck. Like, this is bad. There's literally an officer way up there. This is freaking wild, dude.
It's so goddamn loud.
This is like, I'm having more excitement and fun driving this on this drive than like picking up the car for the first time. How is it?
It smells bad.
It smells bad, yeah. Give it something. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. There's like a little underpass thing right down there too, which is like perfect right behind us. Let's see if I can get it. Oh my god. God, this is too much fun. This is gonna go down as top days. Exhaust installation days. You just gotta keep them. All right, it's the moment of truth. We have our first tunnel with the new exhaust. Here we go. Gonna give it some room. Oh my god! Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy crap! Immediately getting onto the freeway, one of the most amazing things about this exhaust is that I feel like you can make it even 10 times more louder and it still won't drone. Like, it doesn't drone at all in the car. The valves are still open and I'm just cruising. And I mean, it sounds completely quiet. It almost sounds like it's back to stock when it's just cruising on the road. So it's basically completely daily usable. And that's not even accounting for the fact that it's Valvetronic and I can open and close the valves when I want to. So honestly, I think the nice thing about these R8s is that they just come really well insulated and they're all really well done as a luxury German car, in the sense that, yeah, when you slap on a loud exhaust on there, it's still not gonna drone, it's still not gonna make your daily driving experience any 10 times worse. It's absolutely phenomenal. No freaking way! Found an FDRX7! That's sick! I know, right?
6.5 hours later.
I didn't know you guys were gonna be here already.
No way.
You ready?
Holy smoke.
Get back there, get back there.
Okay, what? Yeah, I thought it was my car. Dang, that's insane. Holy crap.
Close the valves.
Dude, when I close the valves, it basically goes back. Yep, it's quiet now and it sounds like stock.
Give it a little bit. What?
It sounds just basically back to stock. I mean, this thing's pretty incredible. Well, that's cool. I didn't know I was gonna have an awaiting party for when I showed up at home. You know my little like DSG farts?
Yeah.
They turned into like explosive diarrhea. It's insane. That's probably one of the loudest parts. When you hear like a
You have to demonstrate to me sometime.
It's absolutely wicked.
No, that sounds insane already, just revving.
Yeah, but right in there, it's already changing color a bit from the silver that we started with. But yeah, that in there is the absolutely beautiful Capristo exhaust that we have installed into the car. I couldn't thank them enough for hooking it up. And in my opinion, it's literally the best sounding way to go. There's more stuff to come from the sound. We're gonna try and get it tuned to get even more sound coming out of here. And tune in to next video because these things are gonna be going and we already have that set up. So next video, stay tuned. We are continuing on doing more stuff to this car and it is getting prepped. Here's the thing though, okay? I drove that orange Huracan with the prom video right here like a while back, and that was like my intro to supercars, and that really was like the kicker that made me want something like this. And then I picked this up, but I felt like there was something missing this car versus that fully exhaust FI Huracan that I got to drive. And I realized on the way home now today, it was the sound. Like, it was all the sound. That's what I was missing. And now this feels like the true supercar that I've always dreamed of. So on that note, this is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing the video off. The big honk?
No.
Oh, dude, you know the car, the van I passed?
Oh, yeah.
When I did a U-turn, he did not like me at all.
It sounds insane from that side.
Yeah, I bet. Alright. Ultra.